my YouTube channel, Daily Talk. Today we are going to learn about melting and boiling. Melting is being defined as the process in which a solid gets converted into liquid on heating. Now let's get an example of ice. Let's take a cube of ice out of the refrigerator. When this ice cube is being heated, it starts to produce kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy which is used in matters for them to move. So, when ice cube is being heated, it starts to produce a lot of kinetic energy. And at one point, at its melting point, it overcomes the force of attraction and this solid gets converted into liquid. In other words, we can say that this ice gets converted into its original form, water. And can it turn into a water at any temperature? No, it needs a specific temperature. That's called its melting point. Melting point is being defined as the temperature at which a solid gets converted into liquid on atmospheric pressure. So, that's all with melting. Let's go to boiling. Boiling is being defined as the process in which a liquid gets converted into gas. Boiling is also called as vaporization because anything from its liquid state to its gaseous state is called as vapors. Let's take an example. The gaseous state water is being called as water vapors. Bromine actually exists in its liquid form. So, bromine in its gaseous state is called as bromine vapors. But what about gas? What if we call that oxygen vapors or nitrogen vapors? No, because its original form is itself in its gaseous state. So it's called as a gas and not as a vapor. Now let's take an example of water. Let's take a bowl full of water and heat it. When we heat water, as he told, kinetic energy starts to produce. As when kinetic energy produces, they start to move rapidly. And when they move, and after they move rapidly, at one point, at their boiling point, they overcome the force of attraction and they feel free and they go out of the pot. So, this has been defined as boiling. Does a liquid turn into gas at any temperature? No. It also needs a specific temperature. It's called its boiling point. Boiling point is defined as the temperature at which a liquid gets converted into gas. So, that's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow in a new video. Until then, see you all. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.